Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Isaac, and I'm back with a quick. I hope it's gonna be quick, but a quick tutorial, and it's gonna be how to get a photo like this to a photo like this. And this is obviously an artificial reflection, um, and this is only like obviously a natural reflection would be much better, but this reflection is definitely just really nice if for some reason you can't get a good reflection like I could here because of the height and everything. I'm sure there's a way that you could, but I just could not do it well enough at the moment. But so basically, we grab this, Control J to make duplicate that rectangle of the buildings. I'm going to select this. I'm going to flip it horizontal, and then I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. And basically, what that's going to do is it's going to line up this up. And we're going to pull it down here, pull it to a point where we see the perfect reflection here. It would be about there. And then what we want to do is we want to add a masking layer, get the brush, and I like to make sure it's on black. I like to have a flow, so we brush multiple times. And here we go. And this will take a little bit of time here, but we just want to brush that there. We want to brush all this. And obviously, if you make a mistake, you want to get it down to the water, but obviously, if you make a mistake, say I go too far here, you just press X, which inverts the colors, and then you can mask that back in there. And then basically you just keep brushing. You pay attention to the details. So we come in here, get rid of that there. There we go. Get rid of that. Basically, just want to make sure all of this is selected here. And we just want to make sure that the bottom of this wall here is all in a good reflection and not too what's the word? We want to keep the reflection, but we don't want to overlap things that are not supposed to be overlapped, like the boat, the pier, and all that stuff. Then for this, we want to bring that back in. There we go. There. Same thing here. Bring all that back. There we go. Once we bring that back, just want to pay a little bit more attention to things like this boat here. Now, it's not going to be too perfect unless you spend a lot of time doing so. But if you're posting it to Instagram, for an example, it's not going to matter too drastically if you don't get it spot on. But see, there we go. There's the reflection. But one last thing that I like to do, make sure you have the right layer selected. Blur, you want to add a Gaussian blur, and maybe we'll try 2.5. What that's going to do is obviously it's going to add a little bit of blur to the building here, so it's not crisp like this. Because at the moment, what it is it's just a perfect cutout of the top. But now we want to even go back in, add another Gaussian blur. We want to make it so it's blurred enough that it looks like a natural reflection. I reckon we could even go to a 5 there. Now that's a 5. It's not looking too bad. And basically that's just going to add the water effects, because it's not going to be super like, it's not going to be super smooth like it would be up here because it's on top of water. But basically, that's what we want to do. I just added a little bit of blur there because it goes from... It's very subtle. Can't really even tell, to be honest. But there we go. Other things you might want to do, you could just go in here. I've pressed J, so I get the clone stamp tool, or the healing tool, I mean. And then just get rid of those things like here. And there we go. That's how you get a photo from this to this. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.